Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I will be showing you guys my new open source tweet scraper app with large language model, which means you can chat with your tweets that you scrape with this tool in just seconds without any hassle. So as you can see, we have a sign-in page, which means you have also a connection with databases. You can change the databases as needed. In this case I'm using Mongo database because it was really easy to adapt it actually. So let's just get started. You can also classify your users based on their payments. For example, you can offer some options for free and paid users. It actually also allows to do it. So right now we have two options, Twitter and LinkedIn. LinkedIn just says coming soon. It's just saying coming soon. But even though it's just saying like that, you can use that to scrape the LinkedIn post right now. But when it comes to chatting, it's not available yet. But you can make improvements, optimizations, whatsoever on GitHub. It's totally free. The entire tool is free and it's on GitHub. You can find it on GitHub. So I'm going to choose Twitter in this case, and I'm going to be specifying the total runtime for my browser, data collector browser. So it's going to run for 60 seconds, and it's going to be scrolling down the page to collect the data in every 2 seconds. So you can also specify the URL of Twitter. So in this case I will be using Elon Musk's profile. Whenever I press this button here, start scraper, it's going to be starting with the new browser to collect the data here, as you can see. And I suggest you to log in to collect the data and scroll endlessly, because otherwise it's not going to scroll endlessly unless you log in. So I'm going to log in here. Yeah, we're good to go. So right now it can scroll down endlessly to collect the data in every 2 seconds for 60 seconds in total, because I specified to scrape the data for 60 seconds. You can also specify for, like, let's just say 900 seconds. It's up to you. So in the meantime you can do whatever you want. For example, the other day I was playing GTA 5, I couldn't open the trunk, so you can watch videos, you can play games in the background. That tool is going to be running in the background without any interruption. Yeah. Once it's done, you're gonna have a database. It's not database, actually. You're gonna have a data in this text file. These are the tweets from Elon Musk here, as you can see. And when it's done scraping, you can chat with this data by pressing this button here, chat with data. It's going to be creating a vector database, and let's just say what's he talking about lately? Summarize it in detail. Yeah, looks great. And you can also add the chat and run for another scraping round. And it also works for LinkedIn. You can scrape the LinkedIn posts, but when it comes to chatting, as I mentioned before, you cannot chat with your data right now. But it's totally free to make improvements, make upgrades on GitHub. This entire tool is on GitHub. Yeah, that was it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.